Welcome. Smart Cure Clinics is designed for you to tackle the unique stresses and diseases of your high-stakes profession head-on. We know your work is demanding, and that's why we offer tailored treatments for stress management, burnout prevention, and profession-specific diseases. At Smart Cure Clinics, we provide CAMT, complementary and alternative medicines treatments for holistic healing, focusing on the powerful mind-body connection. Our one-on-one counseling, available in person and online, combined with organic and herbal remedies, targets not only chronic or acute diseases, but also psychological ailments, boosting your HEQ, holistic emotional quotient. Our expert team understands your challenges and offers exclusive benefits like online counseling, priority appointment scheduling, personalized wellness plans, and discreet, confidential service. Take charge of your health and happiness. Call now for your free preliminary session. 030-353-4031, 033-351-76777. Smart Cure Clinics, a healing syndrome.